All right, real quick before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing my own personal investing journey, what I'm doing with my money and my strategy. Always do your own research, talk to a professional before making financial decisions. Cool, got that out of the way. Now, all right, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is titled $178,054 Road to $1 Million Brokerage Update. Whew, that was a lot. But this is the most transparent investing series on YouTube. Real numbers, real deposits, real side hustles. No fluff. This is it. This is what I got. I'm showing you. If you're new here, I'm documenting my full journey from $178,000 to $1 million in a brokerage account using consistent investing and long-term wealth building strategies. Now, this is not talking about my Roth IRAs or my TSP 401k type stuff, anything like that. We're just talking about brokerage account and liquid cash available. So my brokerage account is sitting at, ta-da, $178,000. Pretty good. Total profit, $11,000 or 6.57%. Daily gain, $1,100. Passive income, $3,600. And my yield, 1.97%. Invested amount, $168,655. So you can see there has been some good gains. This account has been growing consistently, and we're knocking on the door of $180,000. Now, 1 million is going to come quick. I promise you that. Here's the full profit breakdown. So capital gains, $93.98. Realized profit and loss, $780. Dividends earned, $988. Taxes, basically zero. Fees, $83. And our IRR, or rate of return, 14.22% for the portfolio overall. Now, these are strong numbers, especially that IRR. It's the internal rate of return, and that's like the real story of how my portfolio is performing with ongoing contributions. A 14% IRR is extremely healthy for a long-term strategy, especially when comparing it against like the S&P 500 and stuff like that. So looking here, you can see today's big winners. We've got QQQ, SMH, VGT, and VTI. They're all up. These ETFs have been some of the strongest performers in my entire portfolio, especially QQQ and SMH this year, with it being tech and semiconductors, because they continue to be like the horsepower behind this account. Now, surprise, here's some of the red movers. Nvidia is down, clearly, obviously. Bitcoin, XRP, anything crypto is just down. AU gold is down, and EXOD is down. Not a big deal. I don't put a lot of money in crypto anyways, but red days are a normal part of investing. They don't bother me at all, and in fact, they actually help me when I'm buying consistently. I look for the red days on my favorite ETFs. One thing that surprises people is like how much I invest every month. I get asked that a lot from friends. The answer is simple. Between $6,000 and $8,000 every single month. That's how I'm growing this account so quickly. Now, this money comes from a lot of different income streams. My 9-to-5 job in the military, my side hustles like dog boarding, junk removal, my apparel brand, which I don't really take a bunch of money from that or anything, and then any of my content from social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, stuff like that. Anything that comes in gets invested. Now, every extra dollar gets fed straight into this brokerage this year. And what's the actual roadmap to $1 million? A lot quicker than you actually would think. At my current deposit rate of $6,000 to $8,000 per month, combined with like long-term market returns, I'm on pace to hit that $1 million. I'm guessing in about 7 years, and that's like if the market has good years and bad years, and kind of giving a safe guess on it. Now, it could go faster if the market stays really strong and my returns are bigger, but definitely faster if my side hustles scale or make more money. Extremely likely to be faster once compound growth really kicks in at the like mid 6-figure level. So there's a lot of variables in it. It could change. I think we're going to hit it before 7 years, but this is a long game. I'm playing it aggressively and consistently. And let's talk about this portfolio and the mix of it. So I've got growth ETFs, I've got tech ETFs, I've got semiconductor ETFs, I've got broad market exposure, a little bit of crypto in there, and a few individual stocks. There's only a few individual stocks that I buy. I'm not big on that, but it's high growth and it's still diversified enough to handle volatility. And it's beating the S&P 500 right now, even with the downturns. So the full update on $178,000 to $1 million, this was it. I'm going to keep showing you guys this every month. If you found this to be helpful on your own investing journey, hit the like button, subscribe, drop a comment telling me what your 2026 investment goal is going to be. For 2026, I want this account to hit $250,000, and I think we're going to get that. We're going to keep building, keep documenting, keep stacking money, keep building this portfolio every month. But yeah, that's it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys in the December update, and we'll see what this $178,000 turns into. Last month, if you didn't watch, I do have a video on that. I think it was like $174,000, but the market had a lot of down days and stuff in it. So even with our contributions and stuff, the account is still down a little bit, but that's a good thing because I've been buying stocks on sale basically. So we should see this thing shoot way up pretty soon.